Umekumapi?
Hili hapa. Shamba la wanyama for real. Beautiful people, welcome back. Welcome back. Remember the studio that I was talking about? This is it. This is it. This is it. And this is where I do all my magic. It is my ICU, it is my HDU, I do my soil mixing, I check on the watering system. Do I even have a watering system? No, I actually use the finger test just to check and confirm that the plants have enough water. But I also check on insects, I check on diseases, I check on, the soil, how is it faring. We have mold too. You get some serious mold that you really need to take care of, and basically just to check on the general well-being of the plants. I've arranged the plants in different categories based on their needs. Remember, I'm a mama bear? That's exactly what I do. So to the far end you have the echeverias. They love the sun. The cacti, they love the sun. If you want to have the edge and the deep colors, the bright colors come out of these echeverias and the cacti, then you need to put them where the sun is. This is the section. Next to it we have the haworthias, the zebra haworthias, and they don't like that much sun, because if you put them directly to the sun, then they become dark. They start having some sunburn, if you can believe me. They get sunburn, sun-scorched. Sun-scorched, sunburn. Remember, we are going to a section that has less light, right? So this section, we now have the dwarf snake plant, which is very easy to grow. It should be in every home. It needs less light. I didn't say dark, right? I didn't say dark. Less light, lowest maybe. And it doesn't need a lot of water. It needs near zero care. It's very hard to kill this plant. This is a die-hard. So that's a snake plant. Then we have, here I have the Christmas cacti. I was trying to be creative with it. It could go two ways. It can take in a lot of light and sun, even sun. But you can also keep it in a low light area. And these are the difference. So here it looks, yeah, sunburnt, and this one looks chick. So this is my famous creepy Jenny. I love this plant. I love this plant. And just to give it a mix, and also it's still within the cooler spaces, I've put all this. They love cool and calm spaces. This is just a filler, just to make the studio look warm and give it some texture. This is the heart of the studio. It is the heart, meaning warm, bright. So as soon as all the plants start flowering, then I bring them here. And this keeps my heart pumping. Pansy. It has a flower that looks like it's smiling, right? It has, it also looks like a rabbit. Depending on how creative you are. This is Cosmos. Cosmos in its element, it can grow this big. This is just a bit stunted because of the container, but yeah. And this is the nice and warm marigold. You can never go wrong with marigold. And I've put a little bit of greens. And sorry guys, this is the tapeworm. This is a tapeworm plant, but very hardy as well. And the mister, the one that takes the crown, is the Buddha belly. Have you seen this one? This is the Buddha belly plant. I'll even bend that one for you because it has a belly. This is the belly. I don't know why it's called Buddha. Somebody can tell me. But this is the belly plant. And it's just started flowering. This one has also been rescued. This is a very important section for me. It is my ICU. I bring all the slow growing plants, all the sickling are all the ones that look emaciated, so to speak, if there's anything like that. But any plant that doesn't look happy actually comes here. It helps me to focus and give them a little bit and a lot of TLC, tender loving care. So you see all this, you can imagine if and when they shall grow, what will happen. The whole of this place will be full. So, and as you can see, one is already growing, isn't it? Yeah, so that gives me hope. It tells me that the future is brighter, the future is coming. And that's the studio that I was talking about. It keeps my day going, it puts a smile on my face, and it just warms my heart. Shall we see you in the next video?